In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an attendance register in Microsoft Excel. We'll start by opening Excel and creating a new worksheet. The first thing you want to do is build the basic attendance table. In the first column, add a header for employee or student, depending on who you're tracking. Then, across the next columns, enter the days of the month from 1 through 30 on. After that, add two more headers at the end, present and absent. This gives you a clean layout where names go on the left, daily attendance is entered in the middle, and totals are calculated on the right. Once your table is ready, the next step is to enter attendance codes. Instead of typing full words each time, use simple one-letter codes to keep the register quick and easy to update. Use P for present, A for absent, L for leave, and H for holiday. Then, under each day of the month, enter the correct code for each employee or student. Using consistent codes is important because the formulas we add next will depend on those exact letters. To count the total number of present days, use the COUNTIF function. For example, if the attendance entries for one row are in cells B2 through AF2, enter the formula equals COUNTIF, open parenthesis, B2, colon AF2, comma, quotation mark, P quotation mark, close parenthesis. This formula counts how many times the letter P appears in that row, which gives you the total days present. To count absent days, use a very similar formula. In the absent column, enter equals COUNTIF, open parenthesis, B2 colon AF2 comma, quotation mark, A quotation mark, close parenthesis. That will count all the absences for that person. After entering both formulas for the first row, copy them down for the rest of your list by dragging the fill handle. This saves time and ensures every row uses the same calculation pattern. Next, format the worksheet so it's easier to read. Make the header row stand out, apply borders to organize the table, center, align the attendance codes, and adjust the column widths so everything fits clearly on screen. Good formatting makes the register more professional and much easier to use every day. If you want to make the sheet even more visual, apply conditional formatting. Select the attendance cells, go to the Home tab, then Conditional Formatting, and create rules for each code. For example, you can make P green, A red, L yellow, and H gray. This helps you spot attendance patterns instantly. Finally, save your attendance register. Go to File, choose Save As, pick your location, enter a file name, and click Save. And that's it. You now have a simple, organized attendance register in Microsoft Excel.